Like she also got a water pump leak. You see that residue in the mirror? And you can see it dripping down. Oh, it's too dark, but yeah, you see that orange residue right there? See what color the coolant is? Shit to look out for on fucking Mustangs. It's gonna need a fucking manifold, water pump, and I'm gonna replace this cap too, because these are known for taking the shit. And this part gets broken to the reservoir, then you're fucked. So before we get there, just fucking replace it.